In a world where growth and change occur at lightning speed, innovation is a daily occurrence. Innovation is the key to maximizing growth. Whether in the mundaneness of everyday living or the fast-paced world of business, every leader, every business, every company, every founder, yes, every human follows a path of transformation for growth. And that's why we do what we do. We see the opportunities to improve business operations and work with them to take businesses to the next level. It's also why we created the perfect tool to simplify business finance and aid the development of financial processes in Africa. With our Payments API, you can manage your business collections, disbursements, balances, and settlements across Africa with the ease and speed your business deserves. Development is a constant need for every business, and so is innovation. Come with us on our quest to create development through business innovation today and begin the journey to take your business to the next level.